They say one man's trash is another man's treasure. But what if technology could make that transformation happen instantly? In today's world, innovators are taking what we throw away and turning it into something valuable, useful, and sometimes even profitable. These gadgets don't just recycle, they reinvent. From machines that turn plastic bottles into building materials to devices that convert food scraps into clean energy, you're about to witness 20 incredible inventions that prove trash doesn't have to stay trash. So, grab your seat, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at garbage the same way again. Number 1. Precious Plastic Shredder and Extruder. This isn't just a gadget, it's a movement. The Precious Plastic system lets anyone recycle plastic at home or in a small workshop. It consists of a shredder that chops plastic waste into tiny flakes and an extruder that melts and remolds them into new products. People around the world have used it to create chairs, lamps, phone cases, and even building materials. Imagine turning your pile of soda bottles into a stylish coffee table. That's exactly what this machine allows. With open-source plans available online, anyone can build it, making recycling not just a chore, but an opportunity to create and even start a small business. Number 2. Lomi Smart Compost Machine. Kitchen waste is often the biggest part of household trash, but Lomi turns it into something useful overnight. This compact countertop machine takes food scraps, banana peels, coffee grounds, veggie leftovers, and in just a few hours, transforms them into rich, nutrient-packed compost. Unlike traditional composting, there's no bad smell, no waiting for weeks, and no mess. Imagine finishing dinner, dumping the scraps into Lomi, and waking up to soil that can be used in your plants. For eco-conscious families, it's like having a little green factory right in the kitchen. Number 3. Plastic Bottle 3D Printing Recycler. Think about how many plastic bottles you throw away every month. Now imagine turning every single one into something useful. Phone stands, toys, or even spare parts. This gadget takes old PET bottles, cleans them, melts them down, and extrudes them into high-quality filament that works with any 3D printer. Makers love it because they can literally turn waste into endless creative projects, all while saving money on expensive filament. It's recycling and innovation rolled into one sleek machine. Number 4. BIOGASS Kitchen Waste Digester. This device takes the concept of waste to energy to another level. Instead of throwing away food scraps, you feed them into the biogas digester, where natural bacteria break them down in an oxygen-free environment. The process creates methane gas, which is stored and used as a clean fuel for cooking. Essentially, last night's dinner helps cook tonight's meal. It's a perfect example of a closed-loop system. Nothing wasted, everything reused. In rural areas, these gadgets are changing lives, giving families access to free cooking gas. Number 5. TRASHPRESS Plastic Compactor. This gadget is like a press that transforms ugly plastic waste into something useful. You throw in bottles, wrappers, or old containers, and it compresses and melts them into solid, flat tiles. These tiles can be used to create furniture, pavements, or even small structures. Schools and eco-startups are using devices like this to turn waste into colorful benches, playground equipment, and decorative pieces. It's a gadget that makes recycling not just easy, but creative. Number 6. ECOBRICKS Maker Kit Mini Version. ECOBRICKS are plastic bottles stuffed with soft plastics to make dense, strong building blocks. This kit makes the process easier by compressing the waste tightly into bottles, producing uniform bricks that can be stacked like Legos. Communities have used these to build everything from garden walls to schools. Instead of plastic polluting rivers, it's now building something valuable. With this kit, you're not just cleaning up waste, you're literally constructing the future. Number 7. REPLASTIC Tile Maker. Why throw plastic away when it can become art? This device melts discarded plastics and compresses them into colorful marble-like tiles. They're durable, water-resistant, and perfect for home decor or flooring. Each tile is unique, with patterns created by the different colors of melted plastic. What was once a pile of waste becomes something beautiful enough to showcase. Imagine an entire kitchen backsplash made from recycled wrappers. That's the magic this gadget creates. Number 8. Water Bottle Crusher and Filament Maker. This all-in-one recycling station takes your empty water bottles, crushes them, and processes the plastic into ready-to-use 3D printing filament. Instead of paying for raw material, you create your own, while reducing waste. Schools, makerspaces, and hobbyists love this because it combines science, sustainability, and creativity. Every crushed bottle is a potential gadget, toy, or prototype waiting to be printed. Number 9. ROTIMATIC Food Waste-to-Fuel Converter. Originally designed for restaurants with lots of food waste, this device turns leftover scraps into clean-burning fuel pellets. Instead of sending trash to landfills, it compresses it into energy-dense units that can power small stoves or heaters. It's a game-changer for places that want to save on fuel costs while reducing their environmental footprint. In a world where energy is getting more expensive, this gadget literally creates power from waste. Number 10. Reverse vending machine, mini version. You've probably seen large reverse vending machines in supermarkets where you deposit bottles and cans and get cash back. Now, there's a compact version designed for homes or offices. Insert your cans and plastic bottles, and it automatically sorts, crushes, and credits you with reward points or small cash payouts. It's like having a recycling bank at home. The more trash you feed it, the more value you get back. For businesses, it's also a great way to encourage eco-friendly habits. Number 11. BLUEPHONIX Plastic-to-Oil Converter. This futuristic gadget literally turns old plastic into usable fuel. By heating plastic waste in a special oxygen-free chamber, it breaks it down into oil that can be refined into diesel or gasoline. It's like reversing the manufacturing process, taking trash back to its original form as energy. Imagine a world where instead of landfills overflowing with plastic, we recycle it into fuel to power our cars. Some small businesses are already using machines like this to create alternative fuel sources. Number 12. Solar Bottle Waste Shredder. This gadget is solar-powered and portable, perfect for remote areas. It shreds plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and other recyclables into small pieces, making them easier to transport and recycle. The shredded material can be sold to recycling companies, turning trash into a source of income. It's a lifesaver for communities with no access to proper recycling facilities, proving that even waste can generate wealth. Number 13. ECOBRICK Press 2.0. This upgraded ECOBRICK maker compresses a large amount of non-recyclable plastic into dense building blocks. Unlike the manual version, this one uses mechanical leverage, making each brick even stronger. Builders in developing countries use it to create low-cost houses and schools. With every brick made, less plastic pollutes the oceans, and more communities gain affordable infrastructure. Number 14. FOODCYLER Indoor Organic Waste Recycler. The FOODCYLER takes vegetable peels, eggshells, and other kitchen scraps, dries and grinds them into nutrient-rich fertilizer within hours. Unlike outdoor composting, it works indoors with no smell or pests. Home gardeners love it because it provides endless natural fertilizer while keeping waste out of the trash bin. Instead of food waste rotting in landfills, it's reborn as plant food. Number 15. Garbage to Music Vinyl Press. This artistic gadget takes old discarded plastics, melts them down, and presses them into vinyl records. Artists are using it to create music albums with a twist. Not only do the records sound great, but they're made entirely from recycled waste. It's turning trash into music, quite literally. The next time you spin a record, you might be listening to yesterday's plastic bag. Number 16. Coffee Ground Recycling Printer Ink Maker. Most people throw away used coffee grounds, but this gadget collects them, processes them, and converts them into a natural pigment that works as printer ink. Offices can drastically cut down on waste while saving money on ink cartridges. Imagine drinking your coffee in the morning and later using the same grounds to print documents. That's sustainability taken to a new level. Number 17. TRASHPRESS 3D Printing Robot. This robot takes plastic trash, shreds it, melts it, and directly 3D prints new objects without needing pre-made filament. It can build chairs, tools, and even small shelters using only waste as material. Perfect for disaster zones or remote areas, this robot shows how the future of recycling could be automated and incredibly efficient. Number 18. Ocean Plastic Jewelry Maker. This small but innovative gadget melts ocean-collected plastic and reshapes it into beautiful jewelry, bracelets, pendants, and rings. Artists around the world use similar devices to turn environmental pollution into wearable art. Each piece tells a story, reminding people of the importance of cleaning our oceans. What was once a harmful waste item becomes a stylish accessory. Number 19. Paper Recycling Mini Factory. Instead of throwing away used paper, this device pulps it and reforms it into fresh, usable sheets. It works right on a desktop, giving offices and schools a way to recycle paper instantly. Some versions even allow adding seeds, turning recycled sheets into plantable paper that grows flowers. Trash turns into greenery. Literally. Number 20. Trash to Energy Microplant. Ending with a gadget that feels straight out of science fiction. This compact device burns non-recyclable waste at high temperatures in a controlled chamber, producing electricity for small appliances. Unlike traditional incinerators, it's clean, efficient, and safe for home use. Essentially, your trash becomes your power source. Imagine powering your lamp with yesterday's garbage. That's the future this gadget promises. And there you have it. 20 amazing gadgets that turn trash into treasure. From machines that create music from plastic to robots that build furniture from waste, these inventions prove that garbage isn't the end of the line. It's just the beginning of something new. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech wonders, and hit the bell so you never miss our next drop. Until then, remember, the future is in our hands, and even trash can become treasure if we think differently.